Welcome everyone to another wonderful week in this important year of number 9. So let's ask our angels what is it that they wish to tell us for the forthcoming week from August 8th to August 14th. We shall seek guidance from our book Angels Speak. The angels wish to tell us, when you operate from a place of complete fullness and presence of living in the now, you start becoming calmer, poised and peaceful. Your skin, your face, your body, your radiance all spells out this fullness of the soul to the world. How beautiful and true to that. When we are calm and poised and peaceful within, our body, our habits, our behavior, our entire output changes, and everything outside of us is radiating that glow of calmness and love that is resting within us. The same way, when we are internally disturbed, all that anger or resentment or unforgiveness comes out as frustrations, irritability, anger, or just about anything that ticks us off really fast. So the angels wish to tell us that we need to constantly operate from this complete fullness that is resting within us already. And the presence of being in this now, this moment of now, which becomes the past, and that next moment that is our future. To live in this moment is to constantly be in awareness of that which we are thinking, speaking and doing, and take that next step forward for best action. The angels tell us that the inner peace and calm that we have will unfailingly spread its radiance and glow to the outside world. And we shall be a living example for people to experience what this inner peace looks like. We shall be compassionate towards people. We shall not judge. We shall not constantly be opining on people or the way they are doing things, saying things. We shall not constantly be criticizing. And everyone around us shall visibly see this change. So let's see what affirmation is going to help us to move closer and closer to this inner peace and poise. The affirmation for the week is, I constantly emit the radiance of my inner light. I am calm, poised and aligned to the one light and truth of God. I repeat the affirmation for you. I constantly emit the radiance of my inner light. I am calm, poised and aligned to the one light and truth of God. This affirmation, as you all already be knowing till now, you can do it 7 times in the morning and 7 times at night, so that the energy of this affirmation starts resonating with you. If any of these messages that you receive, if you feel that it's a sticky point in your life and it resonates largely to something that's ongoing in your life, then you can do that particular affirmation of the week for a continuous cycle of 21 days, 7 times in the morning and 7 times at night, so that you beautifully heal and transcend that particular aspect of your life. And now we move on to the beautiful angelic winner of the week. This week's winner is my beautiful loving angel from Dubai, Ilham Sharifi. So Ilham, here's the message that your angels wish to bring you. The angels want to tell you, Ilham, you have got the right idea and know that it is divinely planted in your innermost being. It will be successful and productive for your growth as long as you stay positive and honest in all your thoughts, words and actions. With this beautiful message, they want to reassure you, Ilham, that there is a thought or an idea that has been, going on in your heart and mind since some time. It could be a new project, it could be a new business venture, it could be a new path altogether. The angels tell you that pay heed to the signs that they are bringing you, and that this idea has been divinely planted so that you take your human actions to manifest it. The angels also wish to tell you that it shall be successful and productive as long as you completely embrace it in a positive way. As long as you are honest in all your thoughts, words and actions pertaining to this particular idea or venture that you want to take up in life. So wishing you all the very best, and may God and the angels support you in this beautiful idea to take it to its complete fruition and manifestation. And now we move on to the color of the day. The beautiful color of today is red. The red, once again, of our root chakra. Strengthen the root chakra, strengthen the base, strengthen the foundation, and we shall walk ahead courageously and fearlessly for everything else in our lives. So strengthen your root chakra and ask your angels to clear away any insecurities or fears that may have been absorbed in it. And work ahead to strengthen this foundation so that you can move on in your life with walking high, faith, trust, and complete confidence in yourself and the world. So stay blessed, loved, and protected in love and light, and Godspeed.